Hello everyone, I am Johanna May Handonero, 3rd year BS Medtech, and I am going to report Aeromonas. Aeromonas are ubiquitous, meaning they are seen everywhere. They are also oxidase positive, gram-negative rods, and they are also a glucose fermenter. It is widely distributed in freshwater, estuarine, marine environments. Aeromonas are frequently isolated from retail produced sources such as animal meat products. And they are also responsible for diverse spectrum of diseases syndromes in warm and cold-blooded animals. Examples are fish, reptiles, amphibians, mammals, and humans. In their genus, there are 21 proposed species, but 8 subspecies in the genus Aeromonas, and there are 8 species and 2 biovars within Aeromonas veroni have been isolated with any frequency from clinical specimens. Aeromonas have seasonal pattern of increased isolation from May to October, meaning the warm season, and reflecting their increased numbers in an aquatic environment. Aeromonas' clinical characteristics are they are straight rods measuring 1.0 to 3.5 micrometer long by 0.3 micrometer to 1.0 micrometer wide. They are also classified in 2 groups. First group is the mesophilic, and it has 3 different complexes or group of species. It can grow around 37 degrees Celsius and motile by means of a single flagellum. Second group is the cycrophilic, and it can grow around 22 degrees Celsius and it is non-motile. The first group, mesophilic, has 3 different complexes group of species. First one is the Aeromonas hydrophila complex, and it includes Aeromonas hydrophila, Aeromonas bestiarium, and Aeromonas salmonicida. Second group is the Aeromonas veroni complex. It also includes Aeromonas veroni biovar sobria, which is formerly misidentified as Aeromonas sobria. Second is Aeromonas veroni biovar veroni, Aeromonas zandei, Aeromonas trota, and Aeromonas schuberti. Third group of complexes, Aeromonas caviae complex, and it also includes Aeromonas caviae, Aeromonas media, and Aeromonas ecrenophila. Second group is the cycrophilic, and it also have 1 species under it, which is the Aeromonas salmonicida. It is a fish pathogen with several subspecies. Note that it is only a fish pathogen. It is a non-pathogenic in humans. It is also non-motile, and it grows best around 22 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Clinical manifestations of Aeromonas and its intestinal infections are it is a enteric pathogen, but it is not similar to Salmonella, Shigella, and Vibrio cholerae. It is a multifactorial patterns of various E. coli subgroups associated with enteric disease, such as ETEC and EHEC. ETEC is the enterotoxigenic, and EHEC is the enterohemorrhagic E. coli. Aeromonas has also 5 diarrheal presentations. First is it is a acute secretory diarrhea accompanied by vomiting. Second is it is a acute dysentery diarrhea with blood and mucus. Third is it is a chronic diarrhea lasting for more than 10 days. Fourth is it is like a cholera-like disease including rice water stools. Rice water stools meaning they appear pale and milky. Third is the nebulous syndrome, also known as the traveler's syndrome. Laboratory diagnosis of Aeromonas in culture media is that they grow readily on most media used for routine and stool cultures after 24-hour incubation at 35 degrees Celsius. They appear large, round, raised, opaque colonies with entire edge and smooth, often liquid surface. They also have strong odor, pigmentation ranges from translucent and white to buff color. Its hemolysis is variable in SDA, and strong beta hemolysis in some species, which is Aeromonas hydrophila, Aeromonas veroni biobarsobria, and Aeromonas jandini. Antimicrobial susceptibility test of Aeromonas are it is resistant to penicillin, ampicillin, and carbenicillin, while Aeromonas are variable with tarcarcillin or piperacillin and cephalosporins. Lastly, is susceptible to trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole, and aminoglycosides and quinolones. These pictures show the growth of Aeromonas in blood agar. It's medium-sized to large, smooth colonies which are white, or especially in older cultures, buff in color. The colonies have an entire margin. The second picture is the same blood agar plate and examined with transmitted light. The colonies are surrounded by a white hemolysis zone. Another picture of Aeromonas is in blood and mac agar. In mac agar, we can see here that it shows a pink color, which tells us that it is a glucose fermenter. Lastly is Aeromonas antibiotic sensitivity test results on the pathogenic Aeromonas. Zone in vision by ciprofloxacin and ampicillin. That's all. Thank you.